Hey everybody, if you're seeing the Rockstar Games Services being unavailable right now when trying to launch a game, do not worry, we'll show you how to fix it in just a few simple steps. So let's just get started. Open up a browser for that, and once you open up a browser, you can go over to support.rockstargames.com. Type in support.rockstargames.com and hit enter. Just go over and type in that. support.rockstargames.com, and that should take you to the space right here. And from here, check if their service status, this one right here, is right now operational or not. So check if all servers are online. If the servers are down, you'll just have to wait until they are back once again. Apart from that, what we can do is we can run the launcher as an administrator. So find Rockstar Game shortcut on your screen, right click on it, and select the option of Run as Administrator. That should fix the permission issues that sometimes blocks the launcher. Also, restart Rockstar Services. You can just go over to Task Manager for that. Hit Enter, and once you go to Task Manager, look out for Rockstar Services. So go ahead and search for Rockstar Services. Usually scroll down for that. And once you find the Rockstar Services, you may just go over and right click on it once you find it up and select the option of Restart or End the task. Select this End Task option and restart the launcher itself and do so. Apart from that, check your internet connection as well. Make sure that your PC is connected to the Wi-Fi, internet, and if there is any kind of VPNs, you can disable it, or proxies temporarily as they can interfere with the Rockstar's services. After that is done, you can even open up the Rockstar Games launcher and go to the settings of the launcher itself. And look out for verify integrity or appearance relation, and that should fix missing or corrupted files. Also update your Windows and network drivers. So hit Windows plus I, access your settings, go to Windows Update, and go ahead and update your Windows to the latest version available as well, so that the application can function itself properly. If nothing works, you can install the Rockstar Games Launcher and reinstall it, and that's it. After following up these steps, your services should be back online and your game should launch. So if this helped, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.